Hi Tango dancer, are you not sure about which steps to do when dancing milonga?
Are you sometimes nervous when the milonga music starts playing? If yes, this video is for you. We are going to teach you two of the most basic milonga steps so that you never run out of ideas when the milonga music starts playing.
Yes, it's important to understand that at the moment of dancing milonga, you shouldn't be doing all the tango steps that you learn in the classes, no the sanguchito, no the parada. Milonga has steps. Milonga, the way that we dance milonga is more simple, and we are going to show you two very simple steps that just knowing these basic steps, you can really start dancing milonga now.
Hi, we are Pablo and Anne from Tango Space, where we help men and women to move better, express themselves, dance elegantly, and have a lot of fun with our tango lessons. In this video, we are going to share with you the two basic tango milonga steps. You will see they are fun, they are easy, they work really well on tango music. If you want to go on milonga music, if you want to go deeper with us, we have a special guide for you with 3 more steps. So if you're looking for inspiration for your milonga dancing, this is the guide for you. We will put the link in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and download it. So let's start by looking at the paso básico in 4, the basic step in 4.
Yeah, this is very simple. We are going to show you first in the practice embrace. So we are going to begin this basic of 4 with the apertura, with the side step. Always remember the small steps when we dance milonga. So a small side step, 1, I'm going to step outside of her, 2, number 3, I'm going to go with my left leg forward, so 2 steps forward, 3 and 4 with the apertura, and we finish with the feet together. And then we start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This basic step is very useful because you can do in the same spot by not changing direction, keeping always the same position of your body, or you can do it also changing direction. Yeah? So basically what we are doing is adding a bit of rotation in the apertura, in the side step. But it's the same thing. It looks like we are doing something else, but it's the same square. The only thing that we rotate our torso, so we change the position of our bodies. Now we show you what we mean with this. So if we start like this, yes, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and not to change direction, yes? If we want to change direction, we can start changing the direction from the first step. We take the side step, and already my torso is directing her in this direction instead of that direction. So
I follow the direction of the torso for my next step.
And then we go 2, 3, 4. You see, now we finish facing this way. So in any moment you can change the direction, yes? As long as your partner is, in her axis, you can change the direction, and of course, start creating the dance more fun and more interesting. Okay, so now we show you the 4 basic steps in the milonga embrace, yes?
So remember that the milonga embrace is a little bit tighter than the tango embrace. It's always close embrace, and we have a little V shape here instead of being parallel.
So close embrace, and then we start with the apertura. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's look at the second basic step, the paso básico en 6, which is the basic step in 6.
Yeah, so it's very similar as the basic number 4, but it has 2 extra steps, and again it's something that we use a lot in milonga. So it's the basic steps of milonga, and you need to know both. Yes, after you can combine with both. So we are going to show you after with the music both number 6 and number 4 as well. So now we break down the 6 steps. So this is going to start with the back step for the leader. Yes, so I'm going back and I'm inviting her to go forward. 1, 2, apertura, side step. 3, outside. 4, another step forward, so 2 steps forward. So 4, 5 is the apertura, and number 6, collect. And then start again. 1,
one very important thing you want to understand is that this is not tango. So we take the tango chip, we take it out, and we put on the milonga chip. This is a different type of dancing. The energy is very up, the body is compact, we're very to react, we're very responsive. So again, we're going to show you. We really want to be present with our leader and really be as much as them responsible for the rhythm. This is not the very relaxed and soft tango, otherwise it's not going to work with your leader.
Now we show you with embrace. And remember, these basic steps, the same as the basic of 4, the basic of 6, we can change direction, we can change the position of our torso at any moment during the 6 steps. So that will help us to make the dance more interesting and to change direction as well. So, for example, we start facing this way, I'm going to do the back step, and then now I slightly change the direction of the side step. So now I'm facing that way. And then probably we are going to finish facing this way now.
Now we show you with the music. If you are looking for more inspiration, if you want to go deeper with us in learning milonga, we have a special free guide for you where we share 3 very cool, very fun, quite easy steps that you can do for the milonga music. So I will put the link in the comments. The guide is free. We go step by step with you through all three steps. So make sure you click on the link and download the guide.
Yes, and remember that milonga is very simple. Yes, we have this idea that milonga is, is more complicated, that is because it's fast and all this, and really it's very simple. It's a lot of fun, and we really recommend you to dance milonga even if you are in your beginning of your tango journey. And it's important to start trying, to start practicing, and adding these simple steps. You will really dance milonga and start, understanding how much fun is this rhythm of the tango music.
So we really hope that this video was helpful, that it brings more fun to your milonga dancing. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and share it with a tango friend. If you are on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share weekly video tips that will help make your tango and your milonga and your vals more exciting and more fun, and especially
please keep learning and keep changing your dancing, because the world of tango needs your embrace.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye.